Personal Resource Planner is a tool for employees to plan their time availability. Click on Personal Resource Planner from the home page to start. Click on the drop-down arrow to reveal the details. Choose the start date of the period. Click on Show Projects button. Fill in your available work time for the project in the Employee column for each week. Resource Planner always gives you a preview of 12 weeks ahead. If you find any empty columns with no option to add a number of hours, that means the project ends sooner or starts later than 12 weeks from the selected date. Click Save when you added available hours.